Welcome to Mommy Girl Cars, and today we are looking at a Lexus 4.3 VTI motor that's up for sale. And this video is a video of the internal view of the car. I'm going to start off, we'll have a look at the engine compartment, and we'll try and capture as much information as possible as we film, and hope that this video will help you in your decision making and whether you want to come down and have a look at this car. We're going to go around to the front passenger side, and this car is a coupe. As you can see, the front passenger side. See the leather seats. What we'll try and do now is capture the video of the back seat. Hopefully it gives you a view the amount of space that's in the car. Next we shall go around to the driver's side, and it's an SC430 if you are wondering. What we're looking at now is the driver's side and all the accessories that come with it. This video is capturing as much information available that'll help you in your decision making. Right now we're back at the engine, and I hope this video helps you in your decision making. Bye bye.